Hi guys, it's me again. So in this video, we're going to talk about a probability model. So remember, in a probability model, the most important thing is that all of the probabilities listed for each event would add up to 1. All right, and they're all going to be in the form of a fraction, okay? Because we always write probability favorable outcomes over total amount of outcomes. So in this example, it's not specific, but I have listed different probabilities and I have 3 different possible ones. We have to figure out, your task on your test is going to figure out whether or not all of these probabilities add up to 1. If they do, it is a complete probability model. And if they don't, if they add up to anything other than 1, it's not a complete model. So the review for this one is, how do we add fractions that have different denominators? Because what we need to do is 1/3 plus 1/2 plus 1/6. But all of these have different denominators, and you can't add fractions with a different denominator. So the first task we need to do is rewrite equivalent fractions for each of these so they all have a denominator of 6. So if you'll notice, 3 and 2 and 6 are all factors of 6. So we can change each of these fractions so that they all have a denominator of 6, but they're still equal. So if we rewrite 1/3 as something over 6, it would be 2/6, because 3 times 2 is 6, 1 times 2 is 2. We can rewrite 1/2 as 3 out of 6, because half of 6 is 3. And 1/6, we get to stay the same and leave it because it already has 6 as the denominator. Now, once these all match up, we get 2 plus 3 plus 1 is 6/6. And 6/6 is equal to 1. So a probability model with these probabilities would be a complete probability model.